Hi friends, this is Madhu from Madhu.K Skills Computer Education. Today we are going to discuss about another interview point of view question, that is, what is a JVM? You know that JVM is a virtual machine. The abbreviation is Java Virtual Machine, isn't it? Here JVM is nothing but it is a container or a software or a virtual machine which is used to run the Java programs. Or simply we can say it is a runtime environment used to run the Java programs. But comes to Java virtual machines, for every different operating system we have to install a separate JVM. For example, let us say I have written a Java program and compiled it. When we compile the Java program, bytecode will be generated, we know that. So if you want to run that bytecode in Windows operating system, in that operating system we have to install a JVM which is corresponding to Windows OS, which is Windows dependent JVM. We have to install Windows dependent JVM in the Windows operating system. And if you want to run that bytecode in Unix operating system, that JVM will be different. And if you want to run that bytecode in Mac OS, you have to install another JVM, which means JVMs are platform dependent. The JVM which is installed in Windows will not be installed in Unix or Mac or Sun Solaris or any other operating system. That's the main thing. And comes to JVM, to run desktop applications or console applications, we need a separate JVM. Okay. We know that Java platforms are divided into 4 categories: Java Standard Edition, Java Enterprise Edition, Java Micro Edition, and Java FX. It is latest one, Java FX. Like that, we have 4 platforms. Okay. When it comes to Java SE, if you develop an application in Java SE by using Java SE libraries, what type of applications we can develop? Only if you use Java SE, you can develop the applications which can run in a single system. For example, you have learned Java SE, Java Standard Edition. You have developed a small application using strings or AWT, and you can install that software in a particular system, isn't it? That software is going to run in that system only. That's why it is called as desktop or standalone application. So if you develop an application by using Java SE, those applications are going to run in a system in which system that software was actually installed. We can't run that software from other systems. Okay. Sir, to run Java SE applications, what we need? JVM is needed. Java Virtual Machine is needed. For example, you have learned Java Micro Edition, Java ME. If you learn Java ME, you can develop applications that run on, those applications are run in micro devices, small devices like cell phones. Okay. Just imagine that if you develop an application by using Java Micro Edition, we know that it is a Java program or Java application. To run that Java application, what we need? JVM is needed. But for example, let us say you have developed a small application by using Java Micro Edition. That means which is mobile application. Where that application is going to run? In mobiles. Okay. To run that application in mobile, that mobile must be installed with JVM. In that mobile, you have to install Java Virtual Machine. But remember, the JVM which we are using to run the desktop applications is different from the JVM which we are going to install in cell phones. That is different JVM. This is totally different JVM. The JVM which we are going to install in mobile devices occupies lesser memory compared with the JVM which is installed in a computer to run the Java SE applications. So JVMs are different. When platform changes, JVMs are going to change. And comes to JavaFX, it was the latest one. By using JavaFX, we can develop very rich GUI applications. It has so many new advantages which are used to handle docx files, PDF files, or images, or graphics, etc. And also it has so many extra features which we can use to develop rich internet applications or web applications. Here we use actually XML code to develop applications. So that is totally different thing. But to run the JavaFX applications, we need the JVM which is different from the JVM which we have used with the desktop applications and with the JVM which is installed in our mobile devices. So in the mobiles, whatever the JVM we are installing, that is different, and the JVM which is used to run desktop application is totally different, and the JVM which we are going to use to run the JavaFX applications are totally different. So what I want to say is JVMs are different. To run desktop applications, we have separate JVMs. To run Java micro edition applications, we have separate JVMs. To run JavaFX applications, we have separate JVMs. Because features are different. For desktop applications, we have separate features. For mobile edition applications, micro edition applications, we have separate libraries and separate features, different features. And comes to JavaFX, it has some new features, different features. To support those features, we have separate JVM or separate platform. Got it? So, conclusion. What is JVM? Simply, JVM is a platform or a runtime environment or a software or a virtual machine which is used to run the Java programs. Even though it is a JavaFX application or Java micro edition application or Java desktop application or any other application, JVM is needed. Even if you learn Java Enterprise Edition, you will develop web applications. To run web application, actually we need a server, web server or application server. Without having server, you cannot run web applications. If you learn Java Enterprise Edition, you can develop web applications or enterprise applications. To run those enterprise applications and web applications, we need a separate server. The server may be for example, Tomcat server is a web server. Glassfish server, it is an application server. Like that, we have server software. Otherwise, we can't run the web applications or enterprise applications which can be accessible from different places, remote places. But there also we need JVM. Because when you develop web application, there also you write some Java programs. To run those Java programs, we need JVM, isn't it? So whenever you develop any application, that may be a web application, Java FX application, Java micro edition application, or desktop application, we have to install a JVM. But please remember, don't forget this point, JVMs are different. Different types of JVMs are there to run different types of applications, and different types of JVMs are there to run the same application in different operating system also. Got it? Thank you. This is another interview point of view question. So you need to be clear what is JVM and how many types of JVMs are there. Okay. So if you have any doubts, just post or comment in the comment box. I'll give replies to you. Okay. Thank you. So subscribe my channel, Madhu.K Skills. I'll upload new interview point of view questions that will help you to get a job. Thank you.